So next up, guys, got a really nice self-propelled sprayer here. We got the boom all the way out. I'll walk around it, kind of give you a nice 360-degree view. But this is a 1996 AG-CHEM ROGATOR 854. Obviously a self-propelled sprayer, guys. Only got right around 3,000 hours on it. It's been farmer-owned for the last 14 years of its life or so. He's taken really good care of it. Done a lot of maintenance and upkeep, and we'll have all that outlined in the description. But yeah, some of the kind of more major things he's done, I guess. The pump was rebuilt 2 years ago. All new shutoffs were just put on it as well for the 5-row shutoff system. It'd be an 80-foot boom or a 60-foot boom, so it'd be an 80-60, guys. On that, it does have a set of flotation tires and rims that'll go with it. We'll have pictures of those that are in the shed. I think he said 15-inch spacing on the nozzles. Triple nozzle body there, guys. Like I said, it's a 5-section shutoff. It's got a Raven kind of monitor system on it, guys, with mapping so you can tell where you've been. It does have auto steer that was installed by Altorfer's. Altorfer's done all the maintenance and servicing and everything like that, so it's had very good protocol as far as all that's concerned. Obviously cab heat air. Did get a new AC system a few years ago. New dryer unit a few years ago as well. 4 years ago he said he put a new compressor motor on it. So like I said, there's a bunch of stuff he's done, and we'll have all that listed. But I'm here with the consigner. He's going to fire it up. He's going to give you a nice demo. Fires up good and strong, guys. Cummins diesel motor. Obviously cab heat air. It's an 800-gallon stainless steel tank. He's just going to kind of do a little demo here for you. Show you it running. Obviously that boom all the way out, it takes up a lot of space. But we just kind of want to show you it running around. He will fold that boom up. We're going to start with the video, the boom out, and then we're going to fold it up. We'll take the pictures from being folded up, guys. But he's been using it. It has been in operation. It's in really good shape. So as far as being field ready and everything like that, it's ready to go. So we'll start raising that boom up. Kind of look through my notes, see if there's anything else. But he said he went through all the wheel motors. Those are all really good. Engine doesn't use a drop of oil, he said, between oil changes. So sounds like just a really good, dependable sprayer. I know that he's sprayed obviously his own crops, but I think he's also done custom spraying for some local guys. He's done a really good job maintaining and taking care of this machine. Drop those down in there, guys. Now she's all folded up, ready for road transport. The paint shines, looks good. He's always kept it stored inside. You can kind of see his place in the background. They're pretty picky farmers. They do a good job. So there's the demo, guys, on the 1996 AG-CHEM ROGATOR 854 self-propelled sprayer. We'll get you a lot of pictures, guys. It's in good shape. So good luck, guys, at auction time and Old 20 Auctions.